When you were hitting the ball, the tendency that I saw a lot was hitting a little bit behind the ball and some of those thin shots. And so when I see that, the first thing that I notice is usually when I see that is a golfer who's trying to get more underneath the golf ball or to try to help it in the air. And when that happens, what ends up happening is we move the bottom of the swing circle way back behind the golf ball, and if we do miss the ground, the club goes up, we will catch it as it goes up and catch the top and thin the ball. So then we get a lot of those fat and thin shots just from attempting to try to get underneath the golf ball. So what we want to do is change our intention and work on trying to hit down on the golf ball, because when you hit down on the golf ball, then the ball spins backwards, and that backspin is what allows the golf ball to get into the air as well as stop on the green. So we need to learn to hit down on the golf ball and move the low point or the bottom of the swing circle to being more in front of the golf balls. Is to work on making sure that we shift our weight forward. Imagine that there's a wall here to my left. I'm just shifting my hips towards that wall. And so what I'm doing is moving my weight forward, and that allows me to keep my weight forward so that I catch the bottom of the swing arc in front of the ball. But also the intention is from hitting down on the golf ball as opposed to swinging up. And so once you learn to hit down on the golf ball and it compresses and it gets in the air, then you won't have this hang back look anymore, because you trust that the spin of the golf ball will get into the air. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because every week I'll be putting out a new video so that you can try them out on the golf course or the driving range. Also, if you want more information, check out my website at www.joeparkgolf.com, where you can find all my contact information. Thanks for watching.